You can swim and then jump in the tree. You have to climb in the tree and then jump. After that, you can enjoy clinging to the natural swimming. Okay, my classmates, my teachers, were invited to come so that your stress will be reduced. Stress will push you to become mature. So do not stress yourself. Do not mind the problem. Never mind the problem. Let the problem over you. Diba? And then, never mind those problem at home. Those mga husband, those wife you have that are very always nakasimangot. People mind them. Just ignore. Because if we are gone in this world, we will no longer enjoy. So as early as possible, make your time pleasure. Make your time, budget your time so that at least you can enjoy yourselves. That is one way of curing your stress, to enjoy your life while you are one. While you are lonely, never stay in your home. Just mingle with your friends and comrades and swim. I am inviting you to our farm. Anytime, to teachers, you are welcome. Anyway, you do not have COVID. Those people only outside. Those people which I do not know, I will not accept that. My farm. Come and swim with me.